tonight springs one of the most powerful crime fighters of all time.
Hey there, chum. No more robberies for you. You've just been caught by Spiderman.
Look out, gang, behind us.
Take that, you crooks, and that.
Ow!
Hey, Joe, look down this alley. A web full of crooks.
And that spotlight on the wall. Looks like this is the work of Spiderman. Spiderman, that red creep. Soon I'll be able to stop him with his atomic power and my special metal arms. I remember the day I got this way. That terrible explosion in my lab. Several months in the hospital. But finally, my new, long, powerful arms were ready for destruction. Parker, grab a camera. Cover the hospital story. Some crazy nut with long arms.
Right, Chief. I'm on my way. And it's over this wall as Spiderman. So far, so good. I'll take a look in this hospital window and... Hey, there he is. That joker does have long metal arms.
You can't hold us hostage like this.
Shut up. I have the power to do anything I want. Oh, by the way, my new name is Dr. Octopus. Wanna lift up to the ceiling, fella?
All right, game's over. Here comes Spiderman.
Well, if it isn't the wily webbed wonder, take this, you red insect.
He's faster than I thought. These web shooters should do the trick. They're strong enough to tie up my enemies. Let's shoot them to your funny arms, Dr. Octopus.
Having fun, Spiderman?
Your metal arms snap the webs off like paper. Impossible. Next step, I'll grab those two powerful claws. The other arms grab my legs.
Your strength is only that of a mere spider. My strength is that of an atomic octopus. I'll just toss this funny spider out the window.
Luckily, that tree saved my fall. But is this the end of Spiderman?
A year ago, I conquered Spiderman. Now I'll take over this energy lab. Soon all the atomic power in the world will be mine.
Dr. Octopus won that first battle. Now I'm ready again. Got to get him in that lab. I'll just catapult over the wall. Uh-oh, my spider senses are tingling. Behind me, Dr. Octopus has a large scanner. Gotta jump out of the way. Now to find him, I'll take a pleasant spider walk along this ceiling. Follow those chemical fumes to the lab. There I'll find Dr. Octopus.
Well, puny little Spider-Man once again.
One big difference this time, Dr. Octopus. My new special web to hold you tight. One final spider punch. Ugh.
Look, Sergeant, in that web, Dr. Octopus. More work from Spider-Man.
No building too high, no crooks too smart to get away from me. Who am I? Just your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.